sides. No, not that. Why you did
Which sides?
like you just lifted the thing which was okay.
Okay.
All right. And what about no necklace?
Ahmed. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. Today we're making a sprouted garbanzo bean salad with a curried dressing. This recipe is super simple and it's really nutritious and very good for you. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Also, do ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. These black garbanzo beans are not commonly known as the regular garbanzo beans, but they are packed with protein and are very nutritious. I'm going to start the sprouting process by soaking 1 cup of black garbanzo beans or kala chana in water. I'm going to make sure to rinse this a few times. I like to top this with water and leave it overnight to soak for best results. Once this is rinsed, I'm going to drain it and transfer it to a sprouting bag. Now this is literally just a simple mesh bag that I bought to store my veggies in. It's also great to sprout beans in. You can also use a cheese or muslin cloth, or a clean stocking or pantyhose will work well too. You need to keep your sprouts damp, so sprinkle them with water 1 to 2 times a day or more if it's particularly dry where you live. Cover and repeat this process daily. These sprouts can take anywhere from 2 to 6 days, and it really depends on the temperature of your home. In the winter, my sprouts can take days, but in the summertime, I can see the bean sprouts just in a few days. I'm going to check on these and I can see the little white shoots already. Make sure the beans are kept damp as they really need that moisture to sprout. Now these are looking really good and 1 more day should do the trick. When the shoots are about 2 centimeters, they're good to use. I'm going to free them from the bag and I'm really excited to get this going. I'm going to boil these in salted water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now these should be cooked but still firm. Remove the scum from the top of the water with a strainer or a slotted spoon. Once cooked, I'm just going to drain this and I'm going to allow these to cool completely. In a bowl, I'm going to add the cooked and cooled garbanzo beans, followed by a ½ cup of diced avocado, a ½ cup of diced tomato. I'm going to add 1 cup of diced cucumber, a cup of diced green pepper, a ¼ cup of sliced spring onion bulbs, and a ¼ cup of diced cilantro or coriander. Add a squeeze of lime just to freshen everything up. I'm also going to make a really quick and easy curry dressing. I have 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing here, and I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon each of chili powder and cumin powder. Give this a good mix and pour this dressing over your salad and toss to coat. This is a delicious and filling salad. It's great on its own, and it's also a great side with some chicken or fish or whatever you like. This salad keeps well for a few days in the fridge, but if you're planning to store this, make sure to add the coriander just before you serve it, as this herb tends to wilt. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this fabulous and very simple recipe. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, so I really hope that you can help me get there. Also, ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time. Take care. Bye.